Oh yeah, yeah. Right here.
Well, that ain't gonna work.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I am Cameron Salapack and I am your host, and we're going to be working on the turd some more. Now, this project has been a while, but it's finally happening. So the last time you saw it, it was in my storage unit, which was a little bit a ways that way, which, when I mean that, it's like a couple storage units over. Anyways, it's finally in our shop. Now, the shop is where all the lawn care and landscaping stuff happens. And my co-workers so kindly helped me move the turd from the unit to here. Today, we're gonna be lifting the body off. We have some more wiring stuff on the engine that will rip off. Well, not rip off, but take off gently. Remove the gas tank, remove drive shafts, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, time's close, I whittled them down.
So one of the next things to take off is the e-brake. Now I wanted to take this off nicely, but then I remembered in the back part, kind of up underneath and stuff, it is very corroded and it needs replaced anyway. Plus we're extending the frame, so you know, it's not getting saved anyways.
Not being scared of some judgment, gotta stay in the cut you off if you ain't making the cut. Couldn't tell you who the hell is behind us, you start to forget.
Next thing's next, remove the body.
Taking it from numbers I give them on scoreboard. It's the only form of us staying in touch, that's saying enough. It's time to receive all of the favors I've done. Too late for y'all to switch teams. Everybody getting big leagues. Product flying out the shell. What's in store?
Guys, so the body is off. Put it over here for now. I am super very excited to see why I'm rebuilding the body. Rebuilding the body was always something I wanted to do, and I'm so very thankful that I made that decision. I should be able to reuse that middle part. All that's getting cut. I have new panels somewhere up there. Actually, it's that box. That'll go the passenger side, the back behind it, as well as the driver's side. I hope I said that correctly because it's a different way. Yep, I think I did. Next, we'll be moving the rear drive shaft as well as the front one. Possibly, we'll get to that. Put some PV Blaster on some of those bolts. As I was putting some PV Blaster on those bolts, I found, you guessed it, another zip tie. For some money. That's probably how much this stupid thing is worth. It's probably being generous, actually. So the gas tank is now dropped. Now it's going to be removing all of this wiring harness here. That'll make removing the engine much easier. Okay, so now that that's off, that's about it as far as what I'm going to do today. This is after Thanksgiving, but from the Buckeye State Overland family to yours, we wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Peace.